League of Legends failed to update and gave you error code 004? Don't reinstall the game yet. This error means the Riot client couldn't download or install the latest patch. It is usually caused by blocked permissions, low disk space, damaged Windows runtime components, security software, or an unstable connection. Try these fixes in order, starting with the quick checks. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. Method 1. Fully close Riot Client and run it as administrator. First, close League of Legends and the Riot Client. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. End any Riot or League process still running, including Riot Client Services, League Client, and League of Legends. Right-click Riot Client and choose Run as administrator. Then sign in and try the update again. This releases patch files still held by background processes and gives the client permission to replace them. Method 2. Make room on the game drive. The patch needs room to download, unpack, and install. Open this PC, check League's installation drive, and keep at least 8 GB of free space available. For a faster cleanup, open 4DDIG Partition Manager and choose Windows Clean. Click Start Scan to find temporary files, system junk, application caches, and other unnecessary files. Review the results, select what you want to remove, and click Clean. Once enough space is available, restart Riot Client and retry the patch. Method 3. Repair the Windows game runtime environment. If the update still fails, especially when Riot Client also crashes or shows a DLL, DirectX, or runtime error, check the Windows environment it depends on. Start with Windows built-in check. Search for CMD, choose Run as Administrator, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. When the scan finishes, restart the PC. If the error still appears, you can try 4DDIG-DLL Fixer. It automatically scans for and repairs missing or corrupted DLL files. It can also fix common game runtime components, including Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX, which may prevent League of Legends or the Riot client from starting or updating properly. Simply click Full Scan to check the components required to run the game. If any problems are detected, click Repair to fix them automatically. Method 4. Reset the connection and change. DNS server. If the update gets stuck while downloading, first turn off any VPN or proxy connection. Next, open the Start menu, type CMD, and select Run as administrator. Enter the ipconfig/flush DNS. These commands clear the DNS cache. If Riot Client still cannot download the patch, try changing your DNS server. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and select your active Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Find DNS server assignment, click Edit, and change it from automatic to manual. Turn on IPv4, enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS, and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS. Then save the changes. Method 5. Reinstall Riot Client and League of Legends. If none of the previous fixes work, uninstall League of Legends and Riot Client. Restart your computer, then download the latest installer from the official Riot Games website. Install the game on a drive with enough free space and allow it through your antivirus when prompted. Try these methods in order. The links for 4DDIG-DLL, Fixer, and 4DDIG Partition Manager are in the description below. Let us know in the comments which method fixed League of Legends error code 004, and subscribe for more quick Windows and gaming fixes.